Hi. What can you do with Python? Whatever you want. Simple things, complex things. From simple text editors to complex systems with artificial intelligence. Python is an amazing coding language. Now I will show you two cool little programs I made. You can use any text editor you want, but sometimes you need to make certain specific procedures other text editors don't support. So if you know a little of coding, you can make your own tools. I have a long list with URLs and emails, a very long list. I don't want to read line by line in separate emails from URLs, so I made this. See, how cool is that? This is what happens basically. Swiggity swooty. Do you need to change the names of multiple files at the same time? I have to upload files to my website, and my website does not support this letter or white spaces in the names of my files. Then, I made this. How cool is that? Do you want to know how to make these little programs? I'll make a tutorial in the next video. Those programs are very small. They have just a few lines of code. This will be awesome. Becky, please, watch my next tutorial.